Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Suara Semalir 2026.
Hello everyone, welcome to Suara Semalir. I am Zaskia.
And I'm Amani. Okay everyone, Agus is here. The month of flags, competition, and freedom.
So today we have a special guest. She's from grade 10 yang katanya tuh dia di OSIS tuh selama 2 periode. And she won gold and silver in English Olympiad. She is the best performance MC of BSS.
For those who don't know, BSS is a program for bilingual students in her junior high school where they perform together in English.
Siapa ya?
Please welcome
Anya.
Hi Zaskia.
Hi.
Amani.
Hi Anya.
Thank you for inviting me. I'm very excited.
Would you mind to introduce yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, so my full name is Alia Sunya Arabi Putri, but everyone usually calls me Anya.
Anya. Nice to meet you, Anya.
Okay, and how do you feel today?
I feel great, excited, and happy, but a little bit nervous because
Yeah.
it's my first time to speak
Same feeling.
on the podcast.
Okay, and Agus is here. And what's your favorite thing about Agus?
So my favorite thing about August
Yeah.
is definitely the competitions. Kayak balap karung, tarik tambang, terus my favorite lomba makan kerupuk.
Okay.
But also August reminds me about freedom. We are free to learn and be ourselves.
Okay.
Great. Emang Agustusan kemarin you join apa?
Iya.
Aku itu giant volleyball.
Oh iya, jadi itu seru banget sih. Aku juga.
Tapi
Kelihatannya.
susah
Ya karena susah, like hard to.
because the ball is so big.
Yeah, you're so big. Okay, and you were in student council for 2 periods in junior high school. What did you like the most?
So when I was in student council, I really like to work with my friends.
Okay.
We planned events together, and from student council, I met so many new friends
Yeah.
from the program. So from student council, I learned to be responsible, to be more confident,
Yeah.
and to speak in front of people.
Okay.
Wah. Kalau boleh tanya, apa sih big event kamu selama di OSIS dulu?
So when I was in junior high school itu ada acara sekolah called AEF or Al Azhar Education Fair. So our student council helped our school
Okay.
untuk ngawasin gitu.
Iya, jadi semacam panitia.
Iya. So it's tiring but it's exciting.
Seru.
Okay.
Anya, you just started grade 10. Do you feel more independent now in high school?
Of course, because back in junior high, teachers always helped us, right? But now I'm a senior high school student,
yeah.
so I need to manage my own time and make my own decision.
Yeah, I agree with you. Yeah.
At first, it's a bit scary and hard, but after I try, I think I will get used to it.
Berarti udah berapa? 2 bulan.
Iya.
Yeah, 2 bulan ya. Okay. Okay, and you're the best bilingual MC back in junior high school. Would you name first at the first time?
Of course.
Yeah.
At first, I was so nervous, my hands were shaking. But I told myself, Anya, just smile and enjoy it. And after that, I just go with the flow. I just say what I have to say. And actually, it's kind of fun to be an MC.
Okay,
I love that.
It's cool.
Iya.
It's
Yes.
cool. I like
Itu
that.
asal jadi MC itu gimana sih?
Kayak pertama itu deg-degan kan. Pasti semua orang deg-degan kan sebelum naik panggung. Tapi MC itu bakal lebih seru kalau kita ada partner yang nge-MC bareng. Nanti kita communicate with the audience gitu.
Oke, yang penting komunikasi aja ya.
Komunikasi adalah kunci.
Iya, benar.
Wow. And you also won gold and silver in English Olympiad. That's amazing. So Anya, for students who are shy to speak English, apa sih tipsnya?
So my tip is just start talking. You don't need perfect grammar. Just try to speak. Just be confident sih. Percaya diri aja. You can practice with your friends, watch some movies, listen to some music. The more you speak, the easier you'll get.
So you like movie?
Of course.
Okay, what movie?
I think animation and mystery. How about you?
Oh yeah, I like animation too.
Like Disney?
Yeah, Disney and Spider-Man's movies, like
Spider-Man.
yeah, something like that.
It's exciting. I
So
like
how about you?
I like action film.
Action.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Action movie.
Like for example, what
For
movie?
example, drakor yang apa? Wikiro Class.
Oh
Oh,
iya,
yeah, I know
suka
that.
itu seru sih.
Yeah. Okay, and what's your hobby, baby?
My hobby is watching movies and
Oh, yeah.
listen to some music.
Some music.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, cool.
What about you?
What's your hobby Amani?
Aku play basketball sih.
Why you like?
Because my dad inspired me. Like when I was a kid, he's teach me like how to play basketball. And until now, he still teach me how to play basketball. Even though I'm not as good as him yet, but I love play basketball. Yeah.
Inspired.
Yeah,
inspired.
Yes.
That's cool.
Okay, and how about you?
I like art. I like drawing.
A drawing?
Yeah, because when I was a kid, I like mermaid.
Oh,
So
yeah.
I wanna
Ariel.
draw it.
Like Ariel.
Yeah, like
mermaid.
Ariel.
Okay, so you like mermaid when you were little?
Yeah, when I was a kid, I wanna be a mermaid.
Until now?
Until
Okay, that's cool. Yeah.
so,
Okay, so
aku
fine.
juga lebih suka buat gambar manusia dibandingkan gambar objek.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, like drawing. Okay. And how do you feel being a student in Alicia Senior High School for 2 months?
After being a student in Alicia for 2 months, I think I feel happy because I met so many friends and the teachers were nice too.
Okay.
And I like the way they teach, but also sometimes it's kind of tiring.
Oh yeah.
Because
Ya pasti ya.
Karena banyak kegiatan.
iya, banyak
iya.
banget.
Sekarang lebih sibuk nggak kalau senior high school nih?
Iya, pasti dong.
Iya pasti ya.
Karena kan kita udah mendekati college.
Iya sih.
Tapi masa muda maksudnya tuh kayak masa muda harus kita nikmati gitu.
Iya.
Okay, last question for you, Anya. What's your message for other grade 10 in this August?
Okay, so my message buat teman-teman kelas 10, be brave to try new things. Kayak try to join a club, try to join a competition. Don't be afraid. Just be yourselves because this is our time to grow. Apalagi kan ini Independence Day. It's our time to speak up for the truth and make our own choices.
Iya.
Gitu.
Oke.
Diingat ya teman-teman kelas 10 semuanya.
Yeah, okay. And okay, Anya, thanks for your sharing.
Iya, thank you ya.
You're so inspiring me and Jaskia and to the audience too. Yeah, you're so amazing. I appreciate it. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay guys, thank you for listening to Suara Semalir. Happy 81st Independence Day Indonesia. Merdeka! See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.